Kanu's family demands sanctions for Justices Tsoho, Nyako over alleged judicial misconduct. By Luminous Janemeke. The news in details. Abuja, the family of Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has called for sanctions against Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Tsoho, and Justice Binta Nyako, accusing them of blatant disobedience to court orders on undermining the rule of law. In a statement signed by Prince Emmanuel Kanu, the family accused both judges of disregarding valid rulings from Nigerian and international courts that have ordered Kanu's release. They expressed dismay that it took the intervention of the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekere Ikun, for Justice Nyako to comply with her own recusal order. Additionally, they alleged that Justice Tsoho attempted to overturn a valid court ruling through a dubious memo, while Justice Nyako refused to honor her own decision. Kanu family further accused the Nigerian government of criminalizing self-determination, which they insist is a legally protected right. They linked Kanu trial to the historical injustices faced by Igbo people, including the 1966 pogrom and Biafran War. They also condemned the government's reliance on an illegal ex parte prescription order to label IPOB as a terrorist organization, despite a separate court ruling that IPOB is not unlawful. The family warns that selective adherence to court orders will further erode the credibility of the Nigerian judiciary, calling for an impartial trial for Kanu. They urge the public to stand against judicial impunity and ensure that the judiciary remains independent and just. Their statement reads, "The blatant disobedience to valid court orders by Justice Tsoho and Justice Nyako has brought the judiciary into dispute. In any country that values the rule of law, both the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court and the presiding judge who issues the recusal order should be held accountable. A judge refusing to obey a court order and the chief judge attempting to overturn a valid ruling raised serious concern about judicial integrity. At the heart of this case, it is attempts by Nigerian state to criminalize self-determination, a legally guaranteed right. The prescription of Nnamdi Kanu reflects historical injustice faced by the Igbo people, including the events of 1960. A court in Abuja ruled that IPOB is not an unlawful group, yet the government declared it as a terrorist organization without due process as required by the Nigerian Constitution. Selective adherence to court orders must be addressed. This matter is far from over, and by the end of this trial, the handling of the case by the Nigerian judiciary will be exposed for all to see. No society under common law can use the outcome of a civil suit to confer criminal liability on an accused person. The proscription of IPOB, which underpins the charges, was made without a fair hearing. The family vowed to continue their fight for justice, asserting that the outcome of Kanu's trial will have a lasting implication for Nigerian legal system and international standing. Please subscribe for more updates.